For real, like
Do you
I can cook more than 99% of ladies out
Guys, do you agree with him?
So check it out, man. Who should sacrifice more?
Do you know that you're not making any sense?
So she has to. Yo, people, what's up? How you doing today? Merry Christmas, and I hope you're ready for my Merry Christmas today. It's YolyBoy right here on YolyBoy TV, and I'm together with
Lady Hina, guys. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, so how you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Not
Where's
bad.
my packages?
That is one thing with women.
I don't understand what.
We didn't finish greeting and you're like, where is my packages? Can you see that? That is African lady for you.
Can you see him? He said he has Merry Christmas for us, and now I'm asking. He's saying
us.
What?
Us, are you a viewer? I said to the viewer, Nigerian
am I not
ladies,
viewing you now?
That's Nigerian ladies for you. You know, anything is give me. Where is my? How is my? Give me.
Okay.
Man. Yeah.
Okay, that you don't collect. You don't say give me.
I was just saying hi to the viewers before we even start conversing, and you're like, I should give you your Merry Christmas. Seriously. All right, I'll give you. So, but do you have mine too?
Yeah, I do. When you give me, I will not have.
You see the problem with Nigerian ladies? When you give me, I'll give you.
Yes, guys. Should I carry something I give him without him giving me?
All right. Well, that's good. So, how has been the festive season so far?
It's been great. It's been amazing.
You went to Dubai.
Families. Yeah, Dubai. Yeah, Dubai.
Yeah, she's joking right now.
I don't understand. I'm joking. How am I joking?
You didn't go to
Did
Dubai.
you follow me?
I know you didn't.
I don't understand you.
I know it. You didn't go anywhere.
Okay, guys, I'll forgive him just for today.
Okay, so what we got today, we're going to discuss about relationship on this episode today, right?
Yeah.
You know, I was scrolling online and I saw this argument. I was like, maybe we should come online and talk about that.
Okay.
Yeah, about relationship stuff, and that's who should sacrifice more in a relationship.
Guys.
So listeners, we're about to argue right here. We're about to debate. Team girls, team boys, team men, team women, team guys, team ladies.
Guys,
right?
trust me, we are gonna beat them.
Who should sacrifice more in a relationship? Yeah.
Why are you staring at me? You already know the answer.
I don't get it.
The men.
No, man.
I don't understand.
It can't be. Did you agree with the men? No, man.
I know my ladies agree with me.
No, it can never be the men that are going to sacrifice more in a relationship.
What's your reason?
The women. You that choose first. Now, okay, when we talk of responsibilities, the men have their own role and the female have their own role.
Okay.
Yeah, providing, protecting, planning. That's for the men. Home care, emotional stuff, you know, a lot of domestic stuff. So from looking at those things, man, who is sacrificing more already is the women. It's the women. The men are just carrying out basic stuff.
Wait.
Yeah.
If you say who is sacrificing more or the most, that one is a different topic. Who should sacrifice more?
It's the ladies.
The ladies are sacrificing more than the guys.
Really?
In every relationship. So
wait.
now,
The ladies
are
sacrificing more. In what ways?
I don't understand. You made mention of them. Just admit it.
I don't get. Just give me
the cooking, the house chores,
house chores. Seriously, men do house chores too.
Oh, really?
For real, like
I
can cook more than 99% of ladies out
Guys,
there.
do you agree with him?
I can cook more than 99% of ladies out there.
That's not true.
Keep me in the kitchen and I must sweep all the ladies in this
Guys,
country.
don't listen to him.
Really?
That's not true.
No, I'm not joking right now. Okay. Even you right now, I'm gonna tell you, me and you, I'm gonna sweep you off.
Oh, guys, it's like we are going to have something like a competition. Yeah, and we'll invite few of our viewers to come and
yeah,
be the
I'm
judge.
ready for it. Let's start. Even now, I'm ready.
Okay.
What are we cooking?
No problem.
Okay, who should sacrifice more? Actually, when we say, if you're saying the guys, I'm saying the guys, you're saying the ladies. To me, I feel like why I say the ladies should sacrifice more is because they are the emotional backbone of every relationship.
Okay.
Yeah, ladies are mostly emotional. So if they don't sacrifice more, the relationship will keep dangling up and down, and you know, it's not going to be balanced.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think so?
I know so, man.
No, you think so?
I know that.
So okay. Before I say this, I believe it is because you feel like ladies should sacrifice the more in a relationship, guys. That's why they treat most of the ladies that go extra mile anyhow. Like you take everything that they do for granted. You guys,
really?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. The guys do appreciate, like, okay, if you're dating a guy who is not responsible, that's a guy that maybe don't love you that much, or a guy who is, you know, not in control of his emotions and stuff like that, or a guy who is not stable. That is when that happens. But when you're dating somebody who cares about you or somebody who loves you, I don't think he's going to see it as, you know, see you anyhow or treat you anyhow or be biased in one way or the other. That is according to my own view. I don't know what you think.
Thank God you said according to your own view.
Yeah, according to a reasonable guy's view.
Okay.
Yeah, I got on this one, right?
Okay, you said reasonable guys.
Yeah.
So you admit that there are guys that do take such ladies for granted, Abby?
There are guys like that, and there are ladies who, when you don't look down on them or you don't see them anyhow or treat them anyhow, they are just like,
I don't understand, like,
masquerades in the house.
How?
That's what I'm saying.
How?
Yeah, when you show them that you won't die for them, you love them, they begin to, you know what I'm saying?
Same goes to the guys. You show a guy that you love him, you could do everything and anything just to keep him, and then the next thing is sand in your eyes.
Sand is better. I thought you were going to say acid, but girls put acid, boys put, you can wash out sand, but acid is going to burn your eyes, right?
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, so okay. I feel like, to keep a relationship, the ladies have to sacrifice more.
To keep a relationship, the guys should sacrifice the more.
Okay, let's now talk about the chores, for instance.
Okay.
If a guy is going to work like 7 o'clock, and then he wakes up, or the guy goes to work 8 o'clock, that means he got to wake up, dress up, and go out of the house and take care of his job. And for the lady, you got to clean the house, maybe take care of the kids if there are any kids, take care of the kitchen so that when he's back, he's got it. And some ladies still work too, so we're assuming the domestic things are being controlled by women in the house. So for me, if the man is sacrificing more, that means the lady is going to be sleeping. You're going to wake up, you're going to sweep the house, you're going to cook, you're going to do the dishes, you're going to dress, go to work, and come back, still do the same thing before you sleep. So take care of men who should sacrifice more.
Do you know that you're not making any sense?
So she has to wake up.
You're not making any sense.
She has to wake
right
up
now.
early, make breakfast, has he dress up, and goes to work. Maybe she can sleep when he's not there.
Okay, is that how you see it?
Not see, that's how it is, man.
Is that how you see it?
Listen to what you think. Am I wrong? I'm right, man.
You're wrong.
No, you now give me a point. Give me a point that will debunk this.
Okay. Most ladies nowadays work.
Most ladies nowadays. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We go to work.
That is why you should sacrifice more. You work, the man work, and definitely you gotta do more of the chores.
No. If I'm going to work, you're going to work, then the house chores I think should be split.
Oh, so now we're back to house chores now.
Yeah, we are back to.
So
they are interconnected.
So they have to be evenly.
Yeah, evenly. Since you go to
wow.
work, I go to work.
I love that. We're now bringing in chores. Okay, when we say splitting of chores, right? So how do you think chores are supposed to be split? Is it evenly, or they should just flow naturally? You said evenly. I don't want you to do
okay. Evenly, I said.
Fine. Men in the house, the ladies say you gotta split chores evenly. And I'm saying no, maybe it should flow naturally, but it depends on the circumstances surrounding that relationship. But I'm standing on naturally.
Naturally.
Yeah. So let's say you say evenly. Why did you choose evenly?
Because
now listen to her.
Yeah, we both go to work.
Okay.
We come back.
Okay.
So stressed out.
Okay.
And you expect me to go into the kitchen and start cooking and doing like you are just there sitting while I clean and cook. We went there, let's say 8 to 5. The two of us. Wow. And you still expect me to come back, do the dishes, cook. You just sit down and fold your arms. And you'll be like, okay, you have to contribute financially, like you need to help me, I need support, so I should support you financially. I should go to work, come back and still cook without you helping. If it is going to be if it is going to be let it flow naturally, hey, most guys, they will run. In fact, they won't even think of coming back home immediately after they close from work. Yeah, they believe, okay, she knows I'm tired, so by the time I get home, she would have done everything.
Now I have a question. If chores are splitted evenly between couples, now my first question is, let's say on Monday you are supposed to cook, you're supposed to do the dishes, and I'm supposed to sweep, and maybe one other couple of maybe sweep and then do the bed or based on anything too. Then you got held at job and then you stayed late at work. I came back early, maybe after eating breakfast. Now I want you to understand my question. Then your boss was like, okay, you gotta stay a little bit, 4 hours, maybe you're coming back late, and that day you're coming back maybe 8 p.m. Now I'm back in the afternoon around maybe 2-3 p.m. And then we are on an evenly split. Nobody touches anything. And then no food in the house. I didn't eat lunch. I ate no dinner. I was waiting for the evenly splitted person to come home. Now, how is that going to be?
Well,
carry over to the next day. You're going to cook lunch and dinner. After
you may have cooked, you can decide to cook.
That is the problem.
Simply because you are hungry. If you can't wait, if you can't wait for me to get back, you cook and then you.
Now, listeners, viewers, is that fair? Like it is evenly. That means you have to be at home and cook that lunch and dinner by all means, because if it passed that day, that means that's a big problem.
Let's say it's going to be your turn. That day is your turn, and you got held up. What are you supposed to do?
I asked you the question. You're supposed to give me the answer.
I gave you my answer, and
you were like, I should cook.
Back at you.
Now, should I just cook my food, or I should cook your food too?
You cook.
Oh man, that is a lie. I'm not cooking for any boat right now. I'm cooking for my belly, and I'm eating. Like, I mean it. If we are on an evenly split with her, and she's not present at home, man, I'm not going to cook for my own stomach. Wash the dishes, lay the bed, and take a deep sleep. And when you come, you gotta take the kitchen and do meal for 2 of us.
And that will go round. There would be a day that it will be your turn, and you will not be at home. So I will cook for my own belly too.
That is
when
evenly.
You get back,
of course.
You should.
Of course, it's evenly.
Okay.
No blame, no game. Like it's
Alright.
the game there, no blame.
Okay.
Like you do your thing, I do my thing.
Okay.
If you are to do the dishes and you're not home, the dishes are gonna pile up till when you're back from that your job, and then you do it.
That my job.
Yeah.
That my job.
Your job.
My job.
And my job. Everybody's doing their job right now.
Okay. The job that you're not gonna ask me for
Definitely.
assistance, financial assistance.
Everything is evenly.
No, no.
Now we're back to something.
Guys, don't listen to him. We started talking about who should sacrifice, and then we now switch to house chores. Nothing like everything.
We're talking about evenly right now. Chores when it comes to
house
food
chores.
supply. When we come to healthcare, when we come to rent payments, when we come to food bills, food stuff, it's gonna be evenly. They are all chores.
No, they are not.
So what I say?
They are not.
So what I say? Your money is your money.
My money is
my money. I love that.
Your money is our money.
African ladies on this one. Like, I know they're gonna be like, yeah. No.
African whatever that you just made mention.
Yeah.
My money is my money. See, the fact that I'm working.
Yeah.
I'm already helping you because you're supposed to work, provide for me, clothing and everything.
50-50 split.
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
So me working, guys, providing for myself the clothing and everything.
Yeah.
I am helping you. It's like I've taken a 50% of your responsibilities. You are supposed to take care of me.
Me splitting chores is what?
No.
Is no.
No.
Is no.
You
She just says no.
This.
Right?
Guys,
no.
Don't mind him.
Don't mind everybody right now.
No.
Guys, are you getting that? Ladies in the house, you hear that? It's no.
Yeah, it's no.
Okay, we move on, right?
Yeah,
so now,
let's move on.
I got you on this one though. Let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Now, let's shift from the chores thing and let's head back to the sacrifice thing.
Alright.
Fine. Now, if we are splitting chores 50-50, and then your money is your money, and my money is our money, who should sacrifice more for the relationship?
You guys.
So when I do the chores, I still let your money, and my money, our money. I should still sacrifice more.
That's the sacrifice already.
Yeah, like you.
That's the sacrifice already.
You are trying to just maneuver and shy away. You just be ignorant from the fact that you don't want to say yes. You keep saying no, no.
Guys, don't mind him.
Yeah, I just feel like
I know my ladies are feeling me. They're getting what I'm saying.
Ladies, are you feeling her?
Yeah.
Seriously, she said, ladies, are you feeling her?
Of course, they are feeling me. You gotta check the comment section now.
Right,
to see.
You feeling her? You feeling me?
Guys,
I know they'll be like, you only give her back to back fire.
I understand, lady. You not giving back to back.
Okay, I'm gonna see that. I promise you, we're gonna see that.
Yeah.
Because I know the only thing you can say is no.
That's not no.
Okay, people, it's been a long gist today.
Yeah.
So we just talk about house chores split 50-50 or let it be natural. And we also look at who should sacrifice more in the relationship. Yeah, but normally it depends on the kind of relationship, you know. Yeah, to me, I feel like it depends on the kind of relationship.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'm not gonna say.
So this time around is yeah.
No more no.
Okay. All right. So, but at the end of the day, it's just what works out, and two of you can figure out what's gonna make your relationship better, smoother, sweeter, and a very good relationship. You know, there's no point in giving each other fast boost, you know, or minor stuff.
Yeah, there is no point you saying somebody say no.
Yeah, it's always point on that one. You know, that's always point on no. Okay, you just put it on the comment below and let's see what is your thought on what we've been discussing. And also, you can share the video to a friend who you think need to really watch this.
Yeah.
It's YolyBoy today on YolyBoy TV, and he's right now saying goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. Don't be stingy with this video. I know most of my ladies out there will need this video.
Okay.
Keep sharing, guys.
Yeah, you know I always love you too. We love you.
Yeah, we love you guys. We love you.
Be good people. I'll see you next time.
Till we come your way, guys.
Bye.
Bye.